How to turn off notification on Uniswap. I guess facing you to turn off notification on Uniswap application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Uniswap on a mobile device. Once you open the Uniswap, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Tap in it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options. Just simply tap on notification. You are looking to turn off notification, right? Just toggle these buttons. After you toggle it, you won't get notification from Uniswap. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to disable Uniswap notifications on a device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding Uniswap, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. Bye bye.